Yes, man, don't sack me, oh.
Chai, no talk this kind thing again. You don't mean it.
I mean, oh. The guy just take me by surprise. After I don't beg and finish for call when he call me after that Leicester game. Him tell me, say, him go leave me make I play 5 more league games. Next thing when I see for TV, I say, him don't sack me. Before I even call him don't send up with the boys to come pursue me come out from my office. Them not even gree make I carry my complete kaya.
I cannot believe this.
I beg you get £1,000 where I fit use take TP.
Chai, I no carry money come out too. But I go see wetin I fit do.
But now I need them.
No worry, I go see wetin I fit do.
Yeah, father.
Kochi, the ball no gree enter post.
Sir, na the bell felt.
No, sir.
Which one be near, sir, now? No be you texted the bell no gree enter pest?
No, sir. No.
Nessa kill you there. Na me the carry Jack.
No, sir.
Idiot. Messiel.
Sir?
Now who bear you came this club?
I don't forget, sir.
Why you not sabi anything for your life?
But Kochi, no be me miss all the making sense chances now.
Sir, you think sir you don't forget what you do for that Sheffield match?
What did I do?
You get men ask me what you do. Tyrann, you know fit. To make bell, they must beg you.
Now wow!
Even to shoot no problem. Your laziness don't tend to disease.
I swear, the guy lazy part koala and slot join together.
Will you shut up your mouth? Dirty boy, came in to brush your hair, you know fat. You get a carry like a dada they can pitch. You not get brush for health.
But it still depend me say that guy sack you put that German guy. Not too much money cost him.
Habio! Now waiting everybody they talk safe. Say the guy make the wrong decision by sacking me. At least, if will allow me finish the season.
Oh, not be waiting I mean no. If not for the sacking where the guy sack you, he make the right decision. Because if to say him leave you, when I for just wake up one morning like that, see una safe for relegation even before the season end.
Wait oh! You mean say?
I mean to say the wrong decision where the guy make that to choose to share Abina Atoko or to share to replace you instead of me.
Sorry! You see ba? My humble prayer for you now say, make trader of reputable German record locate you and your future generation. Idiot! Kobala, do sharp make I come out for here. You better make I deal with those mosquitoes than to deal with this guy for one room.
You got some die be that now.
Ogasari, league leaders go Anfield on Sunday to go cement their position on top. What do you feel say go happen for that match?
Guardiola go cry go house.
Now you go beat them.
You never come EPL finish. You don't they make mouths, they raise shoulder, they brag. Now people like you suppose they coach FC Braga. Because you score one mistake penalty, they win game. Now you they boast like this.
You say call a mistake penalty. This is ungrateful man. I pity you show you small ball may you play for second half. Now you say here they speak gibberish.
Mommy water suck your mouth there.
See man you now. Where they try overtake for table, they flog people 9-0. Me still dey here, they struggle with injury and lack of goals. Chai! I swear this life no balance. Even this Agbero boys club don't start with a win game. It can't be like say they struggle to maintain top 4. Come on Brighton again. Haba. My boys no even fit collect draw. For Anfield again fa. This my boys off and on done too much oh.
Oga Guardiola, body go don dey sweet you as you don win your first game for Anfield and get 14 consecutive wins, the highest for your career. How you dey plan celebrate am?
You dey craze?
No sir.
Who tell say body dey sweet me?
Nobody sir. I been just think say person wey get all this record come the top league table with 5 points go suppose happy well.
Well, my face dey like person wey happy.
No sir.
Good. No ever assume on top my head.
Okay sir.
Now ask me better question.
People dey talk say na you be the greatest tactical coach for EPL and say the reason wey make you dey like this na because say they born you with plenty brain inside your body. Na true be that?
And you Allison, sir, how much you take sell that match? Sir, I don't understand what you mean, sir. I say how much them give you for this match. Sir, no mistake I make, I no say anything. Three bloody goal causing mistake wey even Kepa go dey envy. Na you tell me say no be say you said the match.
I swear no mistake.
No be your fellow countryman Ederson dey keep 13 clean sheets. You no even say make you watch am small for the game. Take sabi how you take the catch your own ball. I no even sabi how you take be first choice keeper for Brazil where Ederson dey.
You see, Bear, your packing of bears they very good. But you need to work on your strikers hanger for my girls. Like that time where you trashed me 6-1. And 2, you need to let Hurricane drop back to match. It is slow down on a counter attack.
What do you mean by that? And by the way, why you won't help me win game all of a sudden?
Wetin make me want making a win na because e no good make that man just dey use us the catch cruise for EPL. See as him done the tapers with 5 points, and him never even play in outstanding match sef. Plus, see as the guy just dey take us the break record anyhow. 13 wins in a row. But after him trash clap, I came to pity the guy.
Abeg, come off for my house, Joe. You want make I win am so that he no go extend the lead over you.
You no go here now. Na for your own good though.
Leave me and my game like that. Now me get my lose and my win. Nothing concern you.
Local champion coach. At the hell, oh. I don't see say don't occupy your light photo run.
What you call me?
Waiting. Your club no be local champions. Man say they don't carry any trophy when no dey inside England.
Ateta, you talk say carry gun come to Derby?
See I'm here.
You dey free to use them.
Thank you.
Don't carry light, oh.
Ateta, which will be your own now? You want shoot everybody? Jesus, my blockers!
A bag, I never want receive bellet.
Where you there? Why only me the pitch? I no tell you the other time. Say training no day today. Make we rest small. You say wetin? I say shut up. How you go talk say training no day today? We get PSG to play for Champions League. And Atletico Madrid they dust us for La Liga. Now him you they give us time make we rest. Which kind coach you be, sef?
Messi, calm down now. Haba.
Calm down waiting. We suppose they train from morning to night daily. They sleep for gym every day. Until we digest winning mentality inside our DNA. Which kind mentality you get, sef? When Guardiola been the coach us that year, I be not even know say footballers they sleep, sef. That's also train with they train every day for gym. Which kind ambitionless coach be this, sef? Tomorrow now, PSG go carry us play samba. We go start to the cry go house. Ronaldo fans go start to the yab me. Media go start to the talk their own rubbish. Which kind life be this, sef? Chai! Now well.
Names of players, names of players, names of players, names of players. Ronaldo.
Messi.
Pele.
Maradona.
Maradona don't die now. Leave the guy. Why they try resurrect him?
Oga, come on for ya, Joe. Legends no they die.
Okay now. Okocha.
Kano.
What you know they do?
Kochi. Na game we been dey play oh. But this guy not sabi anything.
Game? Una they mad? We get back to play for Champions League knockout. Una they here they play game.
Kochi, you go calm down now. Nothing there to fear.
You say waiting.
Kochi, your blood too dey hot. Nothing there to fear for Baka.
Messi don't come out for Baka. This one are good news oh.
Nah. And the good thing be say, Baka people don't even know say na Messi clone dey there because the clone still play ball pass all of them. But we no need to fear. Everything dey alright. We go demolish them. Even if I no play the match, my boy here go make sure say them collect.
Idiot. Now be your boy.
Calm down, Joe. Let me teach you everything we know now.
Your father.
You gonna calm down, Joe. Which game una been dey play safe? Make I join you now.
Hope say you no be Baka fan. Because I no go like make depression keep person why I know.
No, I know the fan Baka. I did alright.
Thank God though. Omo, sorry. You watch that Baka PSG game?
I da mad no watch am. Even if I blind, I must still watch am.
Oh boy, Mbappe no get joy yo. As Messi scored that PK, the next thing when I hear na hold my beer. Omo, na so Mbappe just enter Ninja Turtle mode oh. Messi just disappear. Baka wan die.
Not be lie. That guy just dissect Baka. You dey ask me this question because you know wise.
Respect yourself oh.
Boy, calm down, make I enlighten you. You remember what happened for 2010 for Champions League?
Wetin happen?
Kobala, I don't know whether them done born you by that time. But you see ba, 11 years ago, when Messi been dey 22 years old, Baka been dey play Arsenal for the same round of 16. Bentner go maliciously draw first blood for the match. Omo, na so Messi vex so the guy enter got mud. The rest na history. Now the same thing still happen for this match. Mbappe dey 22 years old dey play Baka for the same round of 16. Messi carelessly draw first blood. Mbappe enter Ninja Turtle mode.
Oh boy, come on, no good though.
Wetin you dey talk? Carry my good jaw. That time when Messi been young, where him and Baka been hot past volcano lava. No be 5 to 8 not them be the trash people and their father. Now what goes around comes around. Now them the trash now. PSG go see trash them another 4-1 for second leg. Another 8-2 must touch them.
But Baka fit come back for second leg, do them that thing where them do them that year.
Make I shit that for Ninja Turtles.
Oga Club, make I ask you another question. You don't lose your last 4 Premier League games, and na the first time since 1923 where Liverpool go lose 4 straight home games. Wetin make una dey this poor form? Person bury jazz for una stadium. Abi una dey do a wolf promo?
Person don disconnect your jaw comot for your face before?
No, sir.
One more stupid question. You go dey find your jaw for ground.
Sorry, sir.
But no be lie na. Your ego na planetary size ego. Na why you no fit control am?
Wetin you dey talk?
My point na say, even if you get all the top strikers like Mbappe, Ronaldo, Messi, Zlatan, Neymar, and even Sugarcane wey you get now, you must still convert all of them to defenders. If you play attacking football, you go die.
So you call me finish just to provoke me?
Na your problem be that. Person dey tell you truth, you dey provoke. No worry, after them sack you finish ba, no big team go ever hire you again. Na Molokombe go dey find you.
Amadioha collect your esophagus, idiot.